Buongiorno a tutti. My name is Miriam Cacciacarro, and I will be cooking with you the Rosato Valportore Cultural Center cookbook. Today, I will be cooking boneless chicken thighs, Palermo style, from the kitchen of Rose Chiodo, recipe from Chef Johnny Ceschia from his culinary studio. You will need boneless chicken thighs, olive oil, celery, garlic, onion, a carrot, 2 lemons, salt and pepper to taste, oregano, breadcrumbs, and parsley. For your first step, you're going to bring a pot of water to boil. And once it comes to a full rolling boil, you're going to add parsley, onion, carrot, and celery, and a bit of salt to taste. When you're preparing your vegetables to put in your boiling water, because they're just for taste, they're not for looks, just cut them into big chunks so that it'll be easier to take them out of the water after. For the next step, you'll want to combine your parsley, garlic, breadcrumbs, oregano, and salt and pepper. And this is going to be the mixture that's going to cover your chicken before you put it in the oven. For your parsley, you'll be using fresh Italian parsley. And what I'm doing here is I'm just cleaning and taking off the leaves, and I'm going to chop that finely, and you need half a cup of parsley. And you'll need 1 cup of unseasoned breadcrumbs. 3 cloves of garlic, chopped. Half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and as well a bit of pepper and salt to taste. And now what you're going to do is combine your ingredients for your condiments. So here, we are going to put 2 cloves of garlic, chopped, 2 large lemons, the juice of 2 large lemons, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now you have your condiment and your seasoning all ready to go, and at this point your water's boiling, so you add your chopped vegetables and salt to taste. So once you add your vegetables to your boiling water, you take your boneless chicken thighs, and add them to the water for 5 minutes. And once they've been cooking in for 5 minutes, then what you do is you take them out and put them on a board and pat them dry with paper towel. Once you've patted all your chicken dry, the next step is you take a bit of your condiment here and put it on top, brush it on top of your chicken. And then immediately following that, you take your breadcrumb mixture and just put it all over. Chicken's all ready to go. Whatever extra condiments you can just sprinkle on top, including the breadcrumbs and the parsley. I would personally put a little bit of salt just to taste on the top, and now we'll be putting them in the oven. Prior to this, you should preheat your oven to 400 Celsius, and you'll put these little guys in the oven for between 35 and 40 minutes until they're perfectly cooked. And now it's time for the taste test. All the flavors, the lemon combined with the parsley, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper. It's amazing. Best served though, make sure when you serve it with a carb and a vegetable. So I made Brussels sprouts with Parmesan and garlic and margarine instead of butter. And then the potatoes with rosemary. Also, when you are having white meat, make sure you serve it with a glass of white wine. I'm having Prosecco tonight. Until next time, buon appetito. Celery and onion. I forgot.